Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make rolled mango ice cream without any machine. This mango rolled ice cream is made with just 3 ingredients. You need just 10 minutes to prepare and your ice cream is ready to enjoy. So let's start the recipe, but before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new recipes every week. For this ice cream, you need half cup of frozen mango or half cup of fresh mango pulp. I'm using frozen mango cubes, so I'm going to grate each cube. Now take any plate and add 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk and grated mango or pulp. I'm also adding yellow food color, which is completely optional. Mix all the ingredients well and spread it. Pat the plate a few times. Cover it with a cling wrap and keep it in the freezer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the cling wrap and cut it vertically. Using a scraper or any sharp spatula, release the ice cream by rolling it. And here we have our rolled mango ice cream. I hope you like this recipe. If you have any doubt about the recipe, do let me know in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe Bellytimberhouse and hit the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload a new recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.